electrical thing and goes in the frequency modulation. Hey, Dr. Kranium. Hello, Milton. How are you today? Fine. Nothing? I didn't. Nothing. Just what? I guess you're working on your top secret Transmogrifier project? Cool. What? Who told you about the Transmogrifier project? You did. In your blog. Last week. Oh. Right.
Oh, Frank.
So what exactly is a Transmogrifier?
Looks like they're doing
anyway?
one of their little story
it's a thing,
things again.
It's a machine thing that transmogrifies.
Doesn't look like we're gonna be in it either.
Transmogrifies, huh?
No.
Yes, that's pretty much what it does. Huh. You don't say. I do say.
Remember when we used to be in
exactly
things?
Is transmogrification? Oh, it's a science
Yeah.
term for when one thing turns into another
You
thing.
had that really great pigeon roll.
Science.
Yeah.
I get it. So it's a sciencey term. Yes.
Do a little bit of that for me.
You want to show it off? Well, it's not quite ready. Not quite ready? No, it's
That's pretty great.
Preliminary testing.
Yeah, it was fun.
The early testing hasn't been.
Oh well, I guess we should.
I tried to turn a thing
I don't know.
into another thing and it didn't work.
Do all the work that
that
they
might be easy
keep
enough to
on
fix.
slacking off and don't do.
It sort of depends on whether you
Yeah.
want a specific thing at the
Come on, Frank.
end of it. Yeah, I suppose
Okay. Chores. We're dusting the floors. We're doing chores. We're Frank and Regibor. We're doing chores. Dishes need cleaning more, so we are doing chores. Chores are the things no one does except us. I fell. We cook the food for lunch. We cook it every day. Nobody else does anything, so we have to say we're doing chores. We're doing chores. We're driving to the store. We're doing chores. It's really more like errands, but we can't really make the errands thing make semantic into a rhyme, so we sing chores. We're shopping Staples floors, we're doing chores. We're even recycling more, so we do the chores. We're a little short, so this is hard. It's hard, but we're now driving home from doing all of chores. Errands are nice. Stopping for lights. Mowing the lawn. We're doing chores. Hey, Regibor. I'm done mucking out the reactor core if you're done putting away the groceries. Regibor? Guess it's not done yet. Oh. Looks like they put all their machinery in the back. Guess it's time to mess around with. Oh, look, a breadcrumb. Frank, were you calling me? Thought we were gonna play Pinochle. Frank. Huh. This is sort of a funny little machine. Wonder what it does. Maybe Frank knows. Frank? Buddy? Don't make this a two-parter! Oh, gee.